Apologies for the delay. Good evening. I am Fawn Heisman. I am the newest member of the Sargam board, which is why I am the one that got, cajoled into doing the introduction. So welcome to the second annual Sargam Foundation fundraiser concert. We're very thankful to have all of you here, so thank you very much for coming. I hope you're enjoying the air conditioning. It's only, 10,000 degrees outside. So before we start, there are, of course, the standard house rules. And again, thank you for being with us. So I'm actually going to start announcing the first act, but I must make the disclaimer. This is East Meets West, so forgive my extremely Western pronunciations here. I'm definitely going to inadvertently butcher some names, and I apologize in advance. So we start tonight's program with an invocation of Lord Ganesha, God of knowledge, wisdom, and remover of all obstacles. In this melodious piece, the dancer reflects the joyous mood of Lord Ganesha, who is dancing happily after removing all obstacles and evil from this world. This dance was choreographed by Mrs. Radhika Satyanarayanan, founder and director of Navarasa School of Indian Classical Dance. The dance will be performed by her student, Anvaya Bide. Anvaya is a versatile dancer trained in Bharatanatyam, Kathak, and Bollywood dance. She has performed extensively across Oregon, including the Portland Rose Festival and India Day, and she completed her Arangatram in Bharatanatyam in 2010. So please join me in welcoming our first act.
dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum, da da dum, da da dum dum, da 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 dum dum, da 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 dum dum, da 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 dum